1. Good morning, teacher. 2. How are you today? 3. May I ask a question? 4. I need some help, please. Could you explain that again? Question mark. 6. I'm sorry, I don't understand. 7. Can you give us some examples? Question mark. 8. Please speak slowly. 9. Let me think for a moment. 10. Can you repeat that, please? 11. That's a great explanation. Thank you. 12. Today's lesson was interesting. 13. I'll do my best to improve. 14. Can you recommend any books to read? Question mark. I appreciate your help. What's the homework for today? Question mark. Can I borrow a pen, please? I'll be absent tomorrow. The exam was challenging. I really enjoy your class.